I don't know where we left off at. Hey you guys, I'm Tyon. My voice is going. I was like sick a little bit. On today's agenda right now, we're currently about to, well, first, welcome back. I love you guys. We need to vacuum because the car is dirty. As you see, we look clear, we look sugared. But yeah, it's like so cute. I love this camera. Like, girl, I love this little camera though, I ain't gonna lie. Bitch, we look so good on here. Okay. Bitch, get off camera. Hi you guys, we're at Chipotle. We're about to get some lunch. This is Claire, you guys. I wonder if y'all can hear me because I have a microphone for the camera, but I don't know if that means I need it every time I record. Can you get a bowl, please? Yes. Can I do white rice? Yeah. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm like so hungry. Can I do black beans, please?
What kind of meat?
Can I do no meat? Can I do queso? Can I do shredded cheese? Can I do sour cream? Can I do avocado? Lettuce. I almost said salad. My bad, girl.
Hey y'all.
Hi.
Make sure y'all tune in soon.
Cause she's gonna start doing content really soon. Let me call y'all back. Pierre has a weight limit, and then she was like, "Look at Myra, she looks great." So I can edit it really cute. I'm enjoying this lovely Sunday. Oh, slow down.
That's what I'm telling myself.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good right there. Alright, you guys, so we're currently about to take a shot.
No.
Faiza! Music. So do we go to like Bluetooth or something? Yeah. Faiza!
Yeah. Birthday, baby. Do something. Click on it.
Oh, like, wait, what did I do?
Shut up. Party in the restroom.
Party in the restroom.
I can't see myself.
You guys, I'm getting my dinner. Okay, you guys, so I got my dinner. Wait.
I'm sorry. Love you.
I love you, Faiza. Okay, so we're about to eat dinner, all of us, and enjoy our night. So we'll talk to y'all later.
Lunch.
Okay, Ty, I know you got me in a little trouble.
He said, we love you.
I'm not gonna lie.
Even though we got in trouble, we love you.
It's okay.
Anyways, Faith, I'm not gonna lie, this year we became super close and you've been like the best to me. You've grown so much this year alone. In general, you accomplished so much and I'm super excited and happy for you. And I love you to the moon and back, and I've not been here without you.
Even though like we literally met end of last year, like
Exactly.
it's been like a good friendship, like no negative vibes.
At all.
No Karens, a
Billy
little
Jane.
complications. No, it's nothing.
It's nothing to a boss.
Wait, 360.
Yeah, it's so good to know you and everyone here. Like, honestly, y'all are just amazing, just like her. And I know we're gonna have so much fun.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Here and the whole year on to next year. Year after that.
all the years coming.
No, literally. Year after year, we're gonna have like good vibes.
Good ass
vibes.
friendship forever.
But honestly, like, I wish you the most success. Just like
Thank
everyone
you.
here said, everyone knows you can accomplish so much. And I know, even though I've known you for so little, I know that you definitely will, because you have that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You too. We're all baddies and we're all gonna make it. And we're all
Cheers!
Every year is gonna be better. Like, cheers.
Haley, get that ass up.
Haley, get that ass up.
I'm a shy girl.
I'll stand up with you.
Oh, we listen, you stand up.
Turn around. Shout out.
One of my besties for the resties. I love her
Period.
to death.
And back, she is the most honest person I have ever met in my whole life.
I will tell you the truth.
Hey, Faiza will tell you the truth.
I don't mean to, but it's like I have to.
She always
Haley be like, space will stop.
I'm like a sweetie. I'm like a
I
lover
feel like,
girl.
bro, she's not a 10, but I am.
Yeah, she's like, not a good friend.
Yeah.
And
No, for real.
I'm not gonna lie. Friend, you gotta get you one of these. Hi, you guys. We already got shot in. Keontae.
And threes. How you turn the camera around?
No, look how good it is.
Man, don't close my door, boy. How you turn the camera off?
I love you. Hi, y'all. Welcome to the next day. It is January 2nd, 2026. Girl, V want to be shown so bad. We finna take a picture, y'all. Look at how good she look. Oh,
Bad to the bone.
What? Ass eating at the thong. And her skin tight jeans. Chanel's for the girls and glittery things. I'm gorgeous. Drop top Porsches. Okay, no, deadass. We forgot to take our pictures. Like, she needs pictures, and these are bad bitch pictures. Bad bitches walk through. Bad bitches walk through, and them looking at this. She's so tired. All right, y'all. Let's get ready to rumble. I need to go get a haircut. I'm gonna wait because I'm gonna take my moving pictures. Ah! I gotta be real tea. Like I gotta pop my
look cozy.
I gotta pop my shit. Don't check ink about it. Yo, this looking sweat. Yes. There's nothing.
Sorry, you can go in back here.
Okay.
Start wagging. Oh yeah, this little floor thing.
I love this.
You can't beat the price.
No.
For your first apartment, this is too cute.
It is. And then it's like
They got stackable washer and dryers, but they're
Yes.
full size.
full size. Okay.
And they're new. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm like so excited. I know it's like the end. I know I'm moving Sunday. I mean Saturday.
You're moving in Saturday?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. I will be here.
Oh. So, do all of your you guys want to make sure.
Sorry, I didn't realize there was a drawer missing in here.
I love this. Like this fits my aesthetic. Hi you guys, welcome back to my vlog. So we're currently in the moving series. However, child, I don't even know what. Like at first I wasn't gonna record until I got a haircut, but I'm like, I need to record these moments because we're moving to our very first apartment, and then like I have to get this on camera. Like this is the part I need to be filming no matter what, because I look like I'm moving. No haircut. I need to get a wax. I need my eyebrows done. Bitch, I can't even talk. Like I just need a lot done, but we're taking care of our priorities now, which is us moving. Oh, I'm so excited. Like I kind of need a U-Haul truck because like, bitch, I need a U-Haul truck. Y'all, no tea, no shade, I'm not gonna lie. I was telling my family, I was like, y'all, I'm just gonna like hire some movers because, bitch, I don't wanna move it. My family talking about, we can help you. I'm like, yeah. It's not that, y'all. I mean, I'm sorry, like I don't try to be bougie. I really genuinely do not. But I don't mind paying for certain things. Like some things I'm like, but me personally, I don't mind paying for like services. Like I'd be like, okay, here's the money, or I need this money for this, or I call my dad and be like, hey, dad, I need this money for this, or I'll call Ace and be like, hey, I need this money for this. Like, you know what I mean? But however, I'm like realizing I am spoiled a little bit, but that's nothing less. We currently at the U-Haul place. My mom told me to come here and price it out and see how much. Wait, does that mean she's gonna pay for it? Wait, I didn't realize that. Hopefully so, cause girl, moving is a lie. I ain't got no money, y'all. I said I was gonna stop saying certain things because it can come true. Like y'all, I be catching myself saying, I got so many bills, bitch. Cause the Tokyo Tony did that video, so like I be saying that cause it's really funny, but I gotta stop saying it before I wish that upon myself. So I gotta stop saying certain things from TikTok before I wish it upon myself. I can only say positive things. So I am a spoiled bitch. I am a rich bitch. I am that bitch. I am it bitch. But no, let's go inside and price out and see how much they want for a U-Haul. My mom told me to get the smallest one. She said, bitch, I ain't rich, but I ain't got that type of money. But yeah, let's go inside here and see what they need. Y'all, I'm like so excited. Oh my gosh. This I hate having a long charger because why in the world? Like, I was gossiping with like one of my friends before I came in. Hold on. Hi, love. I just want to price out just like a regular, either like one of those.
Well, U-Haul trucks, they're $19.95 plus the mileage.
So 20 plus mileage. How much is like the per mileage?
89 cents a mile.
Okay. So I'm literally home. Turn this off. How you guys, y'all? I just came back from viewing my, cause I went to view the apartment already before. If I didn't put the clip in, I went and viewed the apartment before already, but I went to go view my exact bitch, my apartment, our apartment. Like I went to go view our apartment today, y'all. This couch cute, but I got a couch, y'all. It was so pretty. It was so immaculate. Like it doesn't make sense. Like oh, it was so pretty. So I was going to Target, but I forgot Michael's is over here. So I'm like, now I can actually buy stuff for a home. Our home? Like, y'all, I want to scream so loud, so bad. And like, we finally have an apartment, y'all. Like I need everything in this store. Like, that's how excited I am. Like, I'm so excited that I'm finna just grab whatever I see and it'll match. I don't care. And just put it in our house. Chaotic. That's exactly how our life is. V, say hi. I'm vlogging. Hi. I'm vlogging. That's really cute. Ooh, this would be perfect. That's a perfect tree. This is a perfect tree. How much is this? Let's see. Okay, that bitch like $3.50. I might as well just steal the one from outside. I'm joking. Some stuff, oh, welcome to our home. Should I get a welcome home mat? I always heard that you don't get that because you know, you don't want to welcome people into your home. Like the ghosts or whatever they said. I don't know. I gotta look into it. Oh my God. First 101. First 101. I got the money to make a roast fish, man. I don't complain. I just pay for the tab. Show me what you have. I don't care about what you had. Me, I've been stacking it. Designer fashions never under mannequin. Y'all, I probably look a mess. It's okay. We moving. Give yourself grace, Tyon, please. Yeah, I'm just browsing. Just browsing. Ooh. $600. Oh, that's $600 for real. What is this? A 6.3 QT digital air fryer. Bitch, they about to build me a cake from ground up for $700, $699. This bitch about to. Okay. Just a bar table? That would kind of match my my countertop. Y'all look at this. I think this would match my countertop. This one looks really cute. $50. $50 set for a 20 piece. Is that good, y'all? Y'all let me know, because it's my first time. I can ask my mama because she a little cheap. So she gonna say, no, that's too much. You might as well just get you one spoon, one knife, and one fork. It's just you. Y'all, do y'all got mamas like that? Because mine's like that. That's why that whole, hey, every color of a cup, every color of a bowl, because she only bought one by one. One per kid. Look at this. Should I get this? It's $50. Comment down below. Or they got like a 45 piece set. Because it comes with a fat fork, a fat spoon, a fat open spoon for like noodles, I guess, and a little butter knife. An actual butter knife, not just one other butter knife. Should I get this? It's only 100, but I got this other one for 89. How many piece set? 45 piece set. Ooh. What's the difference? Oh, and that one's a bigger spoon, bigger spoon, bigger fork. Girl, that's immaculate. But I want like a cabinet organizer because I seen it on TikTok. A cabinet organizer for like your bowls and plates and stuff like that. And I also need like jugs like these for when I put like my oat milk, my juice, my compressed juice, because I want to start juicing and stuff. So when I make like my certain juice, I can like have that. This is so cute. Yeah, so I need to come and get like some of these for when I make like my juices and stuff, because I don't want to have like different, like I kind of want it to be like all glass and like wood, or just all glass in the fridge. And then like I put, you know, milk, coffee, and other stuff like that. You know what I mean? My eggs, my fruits and stuff. Like I want it to be all glass containers or plastic. Like I don't want plastic, but I know for certain things I'm gonna have to get plastic unless I find the glass ones. Yeah. So the math ain't mad thing. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just in here like having a ball. Right? Isn't this a steal? It's $104, and it's a recycle and a trash. Nobody has this. I want this. Nobody has this. I want this. I'm gonna call Ace and see if he can get it for me. I can call my daddy. I'm probably call my daddy. You better call your daddy. Yeah, tell me about Chloe. So we played White Christmas, right? Oh no, White Santa. I'm sorry. We played White Santa for Christmas, right? And I think that's it. We played White Santa. So let me set the camera down. So we played White Santa, and somebody bought a blender. Like, it was like one of these expensive ones, right? Somebody bought a blender. Mind you, I stole it. Mind you, that once it's stole the third time, it's locked in. So I stole it from somebody, right? And Chloe didn't get to go yet. She stole it from me. I'm like, but I'm not getting like the game for real. For like, I'm getting it, but I'm not getting it. I'm not getting like, once it gets stole for the third time, that's it. It's locked in. So I'm like, I could have just let her get that and then stole it. So then Mayana had $40. Is it $40 I can steal because she already stole that from somebody, or I can get the gift card? I wasn't thinking, bitch, I grabbed the gift card with $25. So I really could have been up $40, but instead I got the gift card for $25 and nobody wanted to steal that. And it's a gift card that's for like everything else that we don't get. But it had Amazon on it or whatever, so that's kind of good if I wanted to order something. But I think I left it in the car because I thought it said Target, but it didn't say Target.